Digital marketing is booming. Gone are the days when earning money was only possible through traditional job methods. Now, people are making thousands of dollars each month from their homes. All you need is to have some relevant skills, a laptop, and a strong internet connection. There are various ways you can earn money through digital marketing. But before you can start earning, you need to understand what digital marketing is. What is digital marketing? In today's age of information, digital technologies are ruling the world. Digital marketing utilizes online marketing tools to sell products and services. It uses the internet to reach potential customers and includes numerous services such as PPC, content marketing, social media, SEO, and more. Now, let's take a look at the different ways you can earn money using digital marketing. Content writing. Content writing is a popular mode of earning money, even if you have little knowledge of digital marketing. Content writing involves writing content for articles, blog posts, video scripts, social media posts, website content, and more. You should have some skills such as good analytical skills, keyword research skills, writing skills, a good grasp of grammar, research skills, basic SEO skills, good typing speed. There are free and paid courses available for content writing. They are good for you to start earning money as a freelancer. How much you can make will usually depend on the type of content you write and your level of expertise. Website design. Website design is a technical skill that you can learn well over a couple of years. It is a process where you have to build, design, and maintain a website. It involves technical skills as well as creative skills to make it attractive to users. As a website designer, you should keep your site updated to keep up with the latest market trends. You should also design your website to be user-friendly and clutter-free so that your audience can navigate easily. SEO. Search engine optimization is in high demand these days. You can get an in-house job as well as earn as a freelance SEO expert. SEO is a vast topic that covers different things. For this, you will need to learn how search engines work to rank your content higher. Because search engine algorithms change constantly, you must know those algorithms well in order to adjust your projects accordingly. In order to be successful in SEO, you should have potential clients. Work on different SEO tactics with changing algorithms to attract more people and make more money. Facebook advertising. Facebook advertising is another popular way to earn money through digital marketing. Running Facebook ads is not as hard as it looks. Setting up the Facebook ads is the hardest part. If one ad works well one day, there is no surety that it will work the next day. Your ads will need optimization and frequent monitoring. Moreover, you should also know what to do when one ad is not working. Mobile marketing. Everyone owns a smartphone these days. Mobile marketing is becoming a popular mode of advertising. It is easy and instantly delivers your message to your targeted audiences. You can earn money through mobile marketing if you are familiar with any of the following skills. SMS marketing, app marketing, push notifications, in-app mobile marketing, QR codes, in-app gaming marketing. Other ways by which you can earn money. Some other useful online marketing tools you can use to generate money are affiliate marketing, lead generation, YouTube marketing, blogging, Google Ads, social media marketing, digital marketing consulting services, network marketing, PPC, pay-per-click for other companies. If you like the video, please share this and subscribe to this channel.